Now today let us see some more operations on binary files. Again, I have a program. We have already done this program where we had written roll number, name and percentage of some students using a dictionary. Okay, this program we have already done in the previous videos. The data will be saved in stu file.dat. Until the choice is yes, it will go on asking roll number, name and percentage. Then each time roll number, name and percentage is saved in a dictionary, and then that dictionary is written into the data file. Then the file is closed. And so first I'll execute this code and we'll enter some records. Okay, now it is asking enter roll number. So suppose I enter 101, then I write name of the student as 99.9, yes 103, then I enter suppose then suppose percentage 5, yes this time let us say 102 and it is Mishra 70.5, yes 104, this time it is let us say Divya Kumari, that is 75, yes, and one more record I'll enter 105, this is let us say name of the student is, and here percentage is no. Okay, so I have created a binary file named stufile.dat having multiple dictionaries, where in one dictionary, one record, there is roll number, name and percentage. Right, now let us see the contents of this binary file. First let us see the contents of this binary file. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll read the file which I had created. This time I have given absolute path. Okay, my file is stufile.dat and I'll open it for reading purpose, and it is a binary file. While true, contents of stufile.dat pickle.load dt is a dictionary. So I'll declare a dictionary first. dt is equal to a blank dictionary. Okay, so let us run this code and find out what records it has saved. So it is showing me what all records I had entered in the previous code. Those records it is showing here. There are total 5 records. Okay, then yeah, why this is showing content of stu file.dat 2 times. See, here also it is showing, here also it is showing. Why? Because you have written inside it in the loop. If I write it outside this loop, then it will not show that print statement in the last. If I run it now it is perfectly fine. Content of stu file, and then these are the contents of this particular file. So I have a stu file.dat which is containing multiple records of students. Okay. Now suppose I want to add some more student records in the same file stu file.dat. That means I want to add more records. I want existing records to be there in the file, and then at the end I want to add the details of some more students. Okay. So for that you have to open the file. Same file needs to be opened, but this time you have to open the file using append mode. Three modes are there: R, W and A. R is for reading, W is for writing, A is for appending the data. Append mode means it will open the file, it will open the specified file and put the record pointer at the last of the file. Okay. So whatever you give to that particular file, that will be added in the file, right? So A means append mode, B means it is a binary file. Okay. Then until choice is yes, I will go on reading the student details. This is same as we have done earlier. Now it is asking enter roll number, name, percentage. Then this data is added in the dictionary, and then it is written in the data file using dump method. Everything remains the same, but I have changed the file mode here. If you don't change the file mode here, what will happen? It will overwrite stu file.dat and it will, the previous contents will be wiped off, and the new contents whatever you will read here, the user will enter here after execution of this code, those contents will be saved. If you write append mode, then previous contents of this data file will be retained, and whatever contents you are giving to this particular file, that will be added in the existing file. Okay, so earlier there were 5 records. If I run this code again now I am entering roll number, let us say 108, right? This time I'll write percentage, let us say 81.8. yes, 106 I'll enter, and here I'll write percentage is 44.5. okay. Want to enter more records? No. Now the data is written in the binary file. Let us verify whether it has added the records or not. I'll make this code as comment, and then I'll execute this code to display the details again. Okay. Now run it. See, now if you see the contents here, it has added 2 more records in the existing records. These are the contents of stu file.dat. This was the previous content, and these 2 records have been appended now. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to just open the file in append mode. In append mode, what happens? It will put the file pointer at the end, and then whatever you will give to the file handle, that will be added in the previous content. If you open the file in W mode, the file pointer remains at 0th location. So whatever you will give to the file handle, that will be written and the previous contents will go off. Previous contents will be wiped off. So A file mode is used to add more data in the binary file. Now the next operation which you can do on a binary file is to search particular data. Now how to make search in a binary file? Here I am using the same file stufile.dat which has been already created. You will get a question like this, right? There is a binary file stufile.dat containing records in the form of dictionary, roll number value, name value, percentage value. It will have multiple records of this type dictionary. Now what you have to do, you have to display the details of those students whose percentage is more than 75. That is, you are searching the records. Now every time how you will make the search now, first you will open the binary file, then you will read the first record. From the first record you will take out the percentage of the student. Then you will see what is the percentage of the student. If the percentage is more than 75, you will display that record. Otherwise you will read the next record. Again, when you will read the next record, you will see what is the percentage. If it is more than or equal to 75, then display it. Is equal to or more than, equal to or more than 75. Okay, so now I have opened the file for reading purpose, right? And it is a binary file. I will read the records in dictionary named ST. Okay, then in the try, details of student, this message you can write before try also. I have written after try, that is okay, right? Then while true, because there are multiple records, you don't know how many records are there, so inside this loop you will go on reading the records. Then within while there is st is equal to pickle dot load. This will read the first record initially in dictionary st. After reading the record, you will see if the percent of st is more than 75.5, because percent ka data type is float there. If you write 75 also, that will be okay, that will be upgraded. While comparing, float can be compared with integer, but because it was float, I have given 75.5. If percentage is equal to or more than 75, you will display that record. Then I have taken a variable here to keep the track whether I have found the record or not. Okay, so initially value of found should be false, is equal to false. Okay, this means that at this position, at this point of time, I did not find the record which I am searching. Okay, as soon as I will find the record which I am searching, I will make value of found as true, because if suppose there are no students having more than 75%, then it should display a message, na, right? So how that message will be displayed? This found will become false every time, because there are no students having percentage more than or equal to 75, right? So control will never come here, right? After reading all the records, control will be transferred here. So if value of, in that case value of found will remain false only, because you did not find the record, any record whose percentage is more than 75. So it will come here, found ka value will be false, not false will be true, then it will display this message, record not found. That means it has not found any record where percentage is more than 75. Okay, so let us execute this code. Okay, see here, above you can see there are how many? 5 plus 2, there are 7 students, but this code is displaying details of only 5 students. You can verify the percentage. Siaram ki percentage is 99.9, Divya Kumari 75, Umakant 88, Smith 81. It has not displayed this record where percentage was 44. It has not displayed this record where percentage was 55. So you can search records from a binary file this way. What I am doing, I am searching this record na. So there may be variations. You may be asked to search a particular roll number and then you have to display the record. In that case, what you will do, you will read first, you will read the roll number whose record is to be found, right? Then here you will compare RNO with the value which you have taken from the user, and then you can display that record. So there will be a question on searching also, searching in a binary file.